Imagine waking up to find your power bill has shrunk by 90%. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of the Edison generator. This long-buried invention from the age of steam engines is turning the energy world on its head. And trust me, the power companies are terrified. Picture this: no complex solar arrays, no noisy wind turbines, no back-breaking installation. All this is possible thanks to Edison's lost invention. This isn't some far-off pipe dream. It's here, it's real, and it's already saving tens of thousands of Americans a small fortune. But here's what keeps me up at night. How long before they try to bury this again? The clock is ticking. I never thought I could generate my own electricity at home. The Edison generator has changed everything for me. With over 88,407 smart Americans already securing their energy independence, will you be next? For less than the cost of a fancy dinner out, you could be kissing those crippling power bills goodbye. Forever. The Edison generator is a DIY electricity generating device that uses thermal energy, commonly known as heat, to create a reliable and sustainable power supply. Imagine slashing your electricity bills by generating your own power. With no ongoing fuel costs or expensive maintenance, it's a one-time investment that pays off. This generator empowers you to become less reliant on the electric grid. Whether you need backup during storms or want to live sustainably, it offers freedom. By utilizing renewable energy sources, the Edison generator helps reduce your carbon footprint and supports a more sustainable lifestyle. Building your own Edison generator is easier than you think. With step-by-step instructions and readily available materials from local hardware stores, anyone can do it. No engineering degree required. I built my generator in just a weekend. Now I have power even during outages. Join the growing community of DIY enthusiasts who are taking control of their energy needs. So, are you ready to take charge of your energy future? Don't let this opportunity slip away. Discover how you can build your own Edison generator today. Visit our website now and start your journey toward energy independence. Remember, for less than the cost of a fancy dinner out, you could be saving money and the planet.